Right on the banks of the Blackstone River in Woonsocket, there's a mill complex that most people drive past. But if you know what you're looking at, this place tells the whole story of Rhode Island's industrial era. This is Bernon Mills, and it goes back to 1827. That's when the Russell Manufacturing Company put up the first building here, a 3-story stone structure on the river's edge. They were making cotton cloth, but the company went under in the Depression of 1829. And in 1832, a new outfit took over, the Woonsocket Company. They didn't just inherit the mill, they expanded it. In 1833, they built mill number 2, and this one was different. It's Greek Revival architecture on a textile factory. Someone was clearly trying to make a statement. At a time when most mills were strictly functional, Woonsocket put up something that looked like a temple. By the 1850s, this complex was producing somewhere between 2 and 3 million yards of cotton cloth every year. That's about a fifth of everything Woonsocket made. The workers who ran those looms lived in company housing right nearby. In the neighborhood, they named Bernon after a Crawford Allen family ancestor. The Woonsocket Company eventually folded in 1883. After that, the site became a power plant for the Blackstone Valley Electric Company. The mills became storage, then office spaces. The machinery is long gone, but the walls are still standing. When the National Register came through in the early 70s, they called this place one of the most handsome and well-preserved reminders of Woonsocket's industrial past. That mill number 2 from 1833, still there, still standing on the river.